Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook pierogies in the oven. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures even cooking and a crispy exterior. Next, lightly grease a baking sheet with a bit of cooking spray or a tablespoon of oil to prevent sticking. Finally, arrange your frozen pierogies in a single layer on the prepared sheet, leaving a little space between each one for optimal browning. This simple preparation sets the stage for perfectly baked pierogies. Once your oven is preheated, place the baking sheet with the pierogies inside. Bake them for about 18 to 20 minutes, making sure to flip them halfway through the cooking time. This helps both sides get that beautiful golden brown color and a slightly crispy texture. You'll know they're ready when they look perfectly toasted and are heated through to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. To elevate your oven-baked pierogies, consider tossing them with 2 tablespoons of melted butter and some sautéed onions after baking. A sprinkle of fresh chives or a pinch of black pepper adds a lovely finish. For a traditional touch, serve them alongside a dollop of sour cream or a side of applesauce. These simple additions truly enhance the flavor and make for a delightful meal. For the best results, remember not to overcrowd your baking sheet. This allows for proper air circulation and even browning. Always bake pierogies from frozen. Thawing them beforehand can make them soggy. Feel free to experiment with seasonings like a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder or paprika before baking for an extra flavor kick. Enjoy your perfectly baked pierogies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.